Hello everyone, I am Neha from Cashback Reward Support Team by Webplanex. Today I am trying to explain you how to generate cashback reward for a referral. For that, you need to open our application from your Shopify store. When you will open our application, you can see there is a section called Offer, and there you can see there is a section called Create New Offers, and then you just need to click on Cashback on Referral campaign and create the best referral offers for your customer. With this section, you can set any of the amount which you want to give your customer. When you will write 10 rupees for your referral customer, then your referral customer will get 10 rupees on their wallet. If you will write a 15 rupees for a referred customer, then your referred customer will get 15 rupees on their wallet. The currency will be shown as per your store currency. You can also set the description for your store. The description will be shown on your store. When you will write a 10 rupees for a referred customer and 15 rupees for a referred customer, then the line will be shown you get rupees 10 on referral, your friend will be also get rupees 15. You can also set the particular time limit for this offer. In our application, you can also set the terms and condition for the particular campaign. With this section, you can set the terms and condition. Your referral customer will only get their cashback amount when the referred customer will purchase their first product from your store. If you will on this button. When all these things are done, you just need to click on submit button and your campaign is ready for the launch. Let me show you how this campaign is workable for your customer. For that, they just need to go to the My Wallet page. After that, they just need to click on the available referral link, generate button. And the link is generated. They just need to copy this link and share with their family members and friends. And the referred customer needs to open this link and create their account. Let me create my account. Click on the create button. And go to the My Wallet page. And as per our condition, the referred customer get their cashback amount. And at the same time, the referral customer will also get their cashback amount. You can see the transaction history. Thank you.